I'm so excited to coupon at Walgreens this week. There's so many great deals. We also have amazing deals on laundry products. You can grab Tide Downy Bounce for $2.99 a piece. As you know, on this channel, we're using all digital coupons. Plus, if you got this digital booster for earn $5 in Walgreens cashback on your next transaction, we have some moneymaker deals that we're gonna be doing and a little bit of cashback from Ibotta. So in this video, I'm gonna break it all down for you guys. Below in the description box, it's gonna be the printable breakdown with a couple of the deals that I'm gonna be doing in my transactions that I'm gonna be doing. I do break it up into a couple transactions so that I can roll my rewards, which is the most important. I got asked that in my Everyday Savings Club, why use multiple transactions? Like, why can't I just do everything in one transaction? And the reason is it helps you lower your out-of-pocket costs, which is so important. If you want to save hundreds of dollars a month, like my members are doing in my club, you've got to make sure that you're doing the right deals, you're focusing on your out-of-pocket costs, and you're tracking your spending. Those are three key elements to saving money. That's what I do. I share all of this with you guys on this channel so that way you guys can get the same results. I'm nothing special. Just because I'm on social media and I have a big following doesn't mean that anything different happens for me than happens for you. Every single person can do this, which is why I'm so in love with couponing. So let's head inside, take advantage of some amazing, easy digital coupon deals that every single one of you guys watching can take advantage of this week. We're gonna start with some hair care deals. So what you wanna do is check your Walgreens app, see what kind of digital boosters you have. If you have the $5 on your next transaction at Walgreens, you can literally buy anything. It doesn't matter, you can do it with a deal. So it's a very easy way to make a moneymaker deal happen, right? So here's an example, the Tresemme deal, which is a great deal this week. Select ones are $6, the hairstyling products are $7. And when you buy two in store, you'll get back a $4 register reward. You can also do this deal online. Instead of a register reward, you'll earn Walgreens cash. Grab two, that'll be $12. We have a $5 digital coupon. You'll pay $7, get back a $4 register reward, makes them $1.50 a piece. Now, if you're using that digital booster and you do this in its own transaction, you'll also earn back $5 in Walgreens cash. That would make two of them a net cost free and a $2 moneymaker. Another deal you can do is on Pantene products. So they're buy two, get a $3 register reward. The smaller ones here are on sale for $5.49. We also have a 2 off 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So you'll pay $8.98, get back a $3 register reward, makes your final cost $5.98 for two or $2.99 a piece. It's definitely not the best deal. We do get it a lot cheaper, but if it's a product that you absolutely need, it's still better than paying full price. Next, we have a really good deal on Purex products. So these are $9.99 this week on sale, and we have a $2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. You're gonna pay just $7.99. You can also always pay with Walgreens cash or register rewards on a deal like this to make it even cheaper out of pocket, and this will probably last you all month. We also have an amazing deal on Bounce, Downy, and Tide. So this week, they're actually $4.99 on sale, which is amazing. Buy four, get a $4 register reward. I'm gonna grab this Downy. It doesn't matter though, there's a bunch of different Downy products you can grab. They're all included. There is a $1 off one digital coupon on the Walgreens app. Next, I grabbed the Bounce dryer sheets for $4.99, the 105 count, with a $1 off one digital coupon. You could grab the Free and Gentle if you want as well. Then the last two products are gonna be Tide. So I'm grabbing a Tide Pods with another $1 digital coupon. And finally, a Tide Liquid down here, the smaller ones. They're either 32, 34, or 30 ounces for $4.99 with a $1 digital coupon. So let's put together this deal. So these are the four products that I'm grabbing. Total is $19.96. After the coupons come off, you'll pay $14.96, earn back the $4 register reward, makes it only $11.96 for all four products or $2.99 a piece. That is a steal for laundry products, so definitely grab this deal. Again, you can mix and match and grab whatever products that you actually use. And we saved the best for last, so if you're still watching this video, thank you so much. Make sure that you hit that red subscribe button for the best digital deals every single week, and it's free to subscribe. Here is another freebie you can do on Crest Oral Care. You're gonna grab two that are $5 each. They're buy two, get a $4 register reward. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. So you're gonna pay $6 out of pocket, get back a $4 register reward, then submit to the Ibotta rebate app for $1 cash back each. Makes your final net cost completely free. If you're new to Ibotta, it is my absolute favorite cashback app. The link is below in the description box, or you can use this code QMEHSBF when you get signed up and submit your first receipt. You'll get a $5 bonus on top of that. Here's another freebie I just noticed in the Walgreens app. I have a 5 off 2 Hallmark holiday card digital coupon. Has to be a minimum spend of $5, so I'm gonna test it out. I'll let you guys know at the end if it comes off okay or if I have any issues. I'm just gonna grab 2 of these. We always like to do little things for our neighbors and stuff, so this is something that can go for anyone. It says Merry Christmas. Hope your Christmas is bright and fun, so cute. They're 2 for $5, so I'm gonna grab 2 of them. Using that digital coupon, they should be completely free. Next, we have the deal back on Quilted Northern, Brawny, Angel Soft, and Dixie plates. All of them are on sale for $6.99. Buy 2, get a $3 register reward. So you could grab a Quilted Northern, clip the 50-cent off 1 digital coupon. This is actually my all-time favorite toilet paper. Then you can grab an Angel Soft 9 rolls, same price, with a separate 50-cent digital coupon. So for both of them, after the coupon comes off, you'll pay $12.98. Get back the $3 register reward. Makes your final cost $4.99 a piece. Not a bad deal. It sometimes gets a little bit better, but if you're using this, a product that you need, right? We all need toilet paper. If it's brands that you like and you're putting this in a transaction where you're gonna get the $5 back in Walgreens cash, that's gonna make your final cost $4.98 for 2 or $2.49 a piece. Now it's an amazing deal. And don't forget to check your Halloween section. The candies and food items are 50% off. There's still some huge bags of candy and stuff. So if you're kind of doing anything at work or anything, that would be nice. We also have these, oh my gosh, how cute. These little squishmallows, they're not 50% off, but so cute. The Sonic's so cute. Could also use that for Christmas gifts. So anytime you see clearance, always double check. And then over here, you have 60% off of all of the Halloween products. These are like plates and stuff, which are always good. Decor that you guys can use, so double check. It should go up to 90% off, I believe, in the next couple days, so anything that's left over. Okay, we're back in from checkout. One issue, I had a $1 off Crest coupon come off, not the $4 coupon, so that wound up costing me money, not being a freebie, which is a bummer. But other than that, everything went great. I'm so excited for all the products that I wound up grabbing. So let me show you guys my transactions. And with that digital booster for earn $5 on your next transaction, you can use Walgreens cash. So I'll pay $5 in Walgreens cash, still earn back the $5 in Walgreens cash, making my out-of-pocket super low. So what I did is the Tresemme and the Crest deal. I had a $4 register reward from last week. These are the digital coupons that came off. So 5 for the Crest, 5 for the Hallmark. So that was a freebie. It did work perfectly. Oh, woohoo. But yeah, the Crest didn't work, so that was a bummer. Rolled $5 in Walgreens cash, paid $8.19 out of pocket, submitted to Ibotta, got $2 cash back. Plus, look what printed at the register reward machine because I bought the Hallmark. $4 off your next Hallmark purchase. So now I can grab like 2 of those money cards that are 2 for $4, use that $4 register reward. I'll do that next week, and then I'll see if another one prints. So I'll let you guys know. If it's printing for you, please let us all know in the comments below, so that way everybody knows what to expect when we go couponing. My next transaction, oh, and then let me show you. So I used $5, I earned $5 from that booster, so it does work. Next transaction, I did the Downy Bounce Tide deal, plus I did the Purex. I used the $4 register rewards that I just earned in my first transaction. All the digital coupons came off. I had a $3.05 coupon came off of something. And I don't know what it is, but I'm not mad about it. So I need to look at that. $2 for the Purex, $1 for the Tide products. It might be for like a Tide or something. I don't know. That's amazing though. So this one was actually lower than I expected. So it kind of wound up balancing out. I rolled $10 in Walgreens cash on this one, paid $6 even out of pocket. And then I earned back the register rewards. No Walgreens cash on this one. And then my last transaction I did on my account. So those transactions I did on my mom's account so I can get her products that she needs. She had that booster on her account, so we got back the $5 in Walgreens cash. I had that booster on my account as well. I know it's super tempting to use that booster to do like a moneymaker deal because I'm with you. It's an adrenaline rush. I love the moneymaker deals, but also keep in mind, this is super important. Make sure you're doing deals on products that you need. So for my transaction, I always need more toilet paper. I resell it really fast. We use it a lot. So I wound up doing the Angel Soft and the Quilted Northern deal, getting back the $5 in Walgreens cash, which made a product that I needed, that I love, a lot cheaper than paying full price, of course. Instead of doing like another Crest deal, I have so much toothpaste, I don't need it. So just keep that in mind. I know it's tough to make that decision and not go for the moneymaker deal, but just to keep that in mind. So I rolled the register reward, digital coupons came off, used $5 in Walgreens cash, paid $4.96, earned back $5.08 in Walgreens cash. So all in all today, everything worked perfectly. All my register rewards came off. Just had that issue with the digital coupon for the Crest, but then I had a bigger coupon come off that I wasn't expecting for like the Tide products. So it balanced out. I'm super excited about it. Now what we have to do, very, very important final step, we've got to write in our digital budget spreadsheet, exactly what we spent out of pocket and factor in cash back so that way we know where we're at for the end of the month. That's how I'm able to pay off debt by couponing because I know at the end of the month, to the penny, exactly how much I saved, so I have money to work with. So I linked below my digital budget spreadsheet if you guys want to take mine so you don't have to worry about making your own formulas and stuff. Everything's included. So let me walk you through step by step exactly how to use it. So we are back home from Walgreens. Let's put everything into the budget spreadsheet. So this is going to be linked below for you guys if you want to snag it. First thing we're going to do is put in the date. So today is 11/3. Then in the drop down, you're gonna click on the store. So we went to Walgreens. Now for the sale price, I do one line per transaction. So my first one, the sale prices of everything were $32. I paid $8.19 out of pocket, used $9 in rewards, nothing for gift cards. Cash back was $2 and rewards I earned back was $13.22. And then the rest is gonna update for me. So my next transaction, we're gonna select Walgreens again. We were at $29.95 out of pocket. I paid $6 at the register. I rolled $18 in rewards, no cash back, and I earned $4 back in rewards. Then my next transaction was $13.98 of products. Out of pocket was $4.96. I used $9 in rewards, no cash back, and I earned $8.08 back in rewards. So it's gonna calculate our percentage saved, our cash cost, which is the most important. And then at the top here, it's gonna automatically update for the total amount of money that I've saved so far for this month. So that way at the end of the month, it's super easy because everything's calculated for you. So all I have to do is open my spreadsheet. I can see how much I saved. Then I know exactly what I have to play with as far as putting that towards my holiday fund for gifts coming up, putting that towards debt, whatever you guys are wanting to do with that money, you know to the penny exactly how much you have to work with. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.